What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be really quickly breaking down a vocal effect that I did inside of Pro Tools that you can also try. So I want you to listen to the last bar of the song right here and just listen to the effect, and then we'll talk about it.
But try to catch a lick on me and you gon' catch a toe tag.
What happened was an octave change. It starts off in the regular voice, and then by the end of the phrase, it becomes this really low octave demonic voice. And this is the last phrase in the song. And this is a really cool effect. I just want to break down exactly how it was done. What you're going to need is a plugin such as Little AlterBoy or any sort of like pitch shifting plugin. Specifically this one, because some of the other ones, whenever you try to automate the shifting, it kind of makes these jagged things. It's not smooth, so it sounds like weird. But with this plugin, it works perfect. What you do is on the vocal track where you want this effect to happen, you would put your plugin. So I have Little AlterBoy right here on the lead vocal track, and pay attention to the fact that it's not on the vocal bus or anywhere else. It's on the lead vocal track. It's on the mono audio track where the vocal sits. So what I did was I put the Little AlterBoy on this track, and I went up here to the automations and I added Pitch and Formant, and then I hit add, and then I hit OK. Now what that did was that allowed me to come in here under waveform and select Little AlterBoy. Okay, and now we have Pitch and Formant right here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up pitch, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So for the beginning of the phrase, we are on 0.0 semitones, no octave change at all. And by the end of the phrase right here, we're down to -12 semitones, so we brought it down. So if we were to just leave only pitch and not formant, it wouldn't sound correct, because the formant it's bringing the pitch down with it. I can show you real quick. So we're on formant right now. If I were to bring this up to 0, this is how this effect would now sound.
But try to catch a lick on me and you gon' catch a toe tag.
You see, it's important that we have both of those down there. So now whenever you play it,
try to catch a lick on me and you gon' catch a toe tag.
They're both equally pulling down at the same time now. So you could switch between formant and pitch, and you can decide where you think it's appropriate to start the pitch change. So after that, I switched this back to waveform. And then if you see right here, I have a 1/4 throw. So what I did was I selected this portion of the song. Okay. I brought it up, and then I pasted it right there. So for a 1/4 delay. But it's in my regular vocal. If you can see right here, there's no Little AlterBoy. So what I did was I selected this. I went up to Audioscape. I went up to Pitch Shift, Little AlterBoy, and I just linked this like this and drag this down. And then now this right here, when you hit render, will be on the same octave as the end of this. So the echo will sound appropriate. And then this is pretty much the effect that you're left with at the end. So I'll play the last couple bars. So I applied a bit of a clean version here at the end because there's some cuss words. So whenever I play this, you're gonna hear a clean version ish. So yeah, let's hear what that sounds like at the end in context to the mix.
Click clack, couple in the sky to make them haul out. If WAP in first place, and that mean motherfuck, y'all last. Get this shit from them or you can get from me with no tags. But try to catch a lick on me and you gon' catch a toe tag. Yeah.
Very subtle on the delay there at the top. Just it's kind of like a space filler. So that's a quick effect that you can try inside of Pro Tools. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting every single week consistently. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in grabbing this vocal template, this is a part of a vocal template that I have. It's a 4-part. So it's tracking, mixing, mastering, and production all in one bundle that you can get. It's separate templates. So you have a tracking session template so you can record your session. Then you can bring it into the mixing template, and then you can bring the mixing, the final print, which would be right here. And I actually do have a print that I was already working on right here. If you guys want to check out anything on my store at all, anything at all, go check that out at mixedbyeddieofficial.com. And also, I was just approved on YouTube for becoming a partner, so I have a couple different perks now that I can use on YouTube, such as memberships, super chats, and all types of stuff like that. Bear with me as I get used to learning about all this stuff. So like for as far as like stuff being posted on my membership channel, until I actually have a couple like members, I don't know how much stuff I'm going to be posting on it. And I genuinely appreciate the people who have already become members of the YouTube YouTube channel. It means the world to me, and hopefully soon we'll be able to start doing members only content and really getting involved one-on-one and with all types of cool stuff. So like this type of stuff right here is like just scratching the surface. Like there's so much more in-depth stuff that we can talk about. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna get out of here. And also congratulations to the giveaway winner. I had that mic right here, and I'm gonna be sending this out to you probably tomorrow. I need to get a box and wrap this up real nice and tight. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. You guys have a good rest of your day.